Hello, my beautiful, gorgeous, and bougie friends. Welcome to my little creative space and my little ghetto ring light that I hella broke and is now like, hey girl, what's happening? I'm just gonna sit on my head and pray to God that I give you light. Here is my cute little Cricut. I obviously got the pink one. Which other one would I get, you guys? Right? And this is the one that I ended up getting. I ended up purchasing my Cricut from Michael's, you guys, but you guys don't have to purchase your Cricut from Michael's. You guys could actually get it from Joann's, and you guys could actually get it from Amazon as well. I purchased my Cricut for about $235. I got it on sale on Michael's about a couple weeks ago. This is what it looks like. It's super clean, it's super sleek, and here are all the settings, and it could cut through so much stuff, you guys. It could cut through paper, vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, poster board, and you could even custom, but I don't know what that's all about, you guys. I haven't tried that. I'm still new. And also, one thing, if you guys see me doing something wrong and you guys are an experienced Cricketer, please don't be afraid to let me know. I won't get offended at all. I would love to learn how to use this thing the proper way, so please don't be afraid to tell me how to use it. This is how you open my cute little baby. So just so you guys know, I gave her a name, Lil Betty. I freaking love her, you guys. What do you guys think of her little nickname? I even had to slap it on. I don't know, you guys. It's the only child in me. I'm a little crazy. I talk to things. I wanted to be like Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I would talk to teacups and stuff like that. I was a really weird, strange child. Well, anyways, you guys, moving on. This is the sticker paper that I use. I bought this thick, old, fat bundle of sticker paper on Amazon for like about 30-something bucks or 20-something dollars. I remember it was really inexpensive for all the sticker paper. I will be linking it down in the description box below. Remember, everything that I talk about, I will be linking down in the description box below. And if I forget, please don't forget to remind me, and I will be happy to put it in the description box. And Amazon also has a pretty large variety, and you could also purchase sticker paper from the Cricut brand itself. The Cricut brand always has its brand on the back, and it comes with lots of cool different like textiles and like different types of shapes and different types of colors. You could buy them online, and you can buy them in person at Joann's and Michael's if you guys are interested in purchasing Cricut sticker paper as well. So yeah, these are the two brands that I have familiarized myself with my stickers. So let me show you guys the stickers that I have made so far. Let me show you guys. See? Super cute, right? And these are the stickers that I have made. I know that the Cricut is really expensive, so if you guys are looking for some nail stickers, I will be linking these down below. If you guys also like Old English but you guys don't have a Cricut, I got these from AliExpress for like about $1, and you can also get these on Amazon, but I think on Amazon they're like about $7. They're a little bit more pricey. And you guys could also go on Etsy, and there are a couple Etsy shops that sell Cricut stickers. I will be linking them down below. Well, alright, you guys, now that you have all of your basic info on the stickers, I'm going to be moving on to voiceover so that you guys could see how I use the Cricut app and how I make my stickers. All right, my beautiful bougie babies, we are going to load our grip mat onto our Cricut, and then we're going to turn our Cricut on, and then we're going to set our setting to vinyl because that is the material that we are going to be working on today. And then after we're done setting up our grip mat, we are going to load it, and then we're going to go to our Cricut app. You have to set up your Cricut app before you start this, by the way, you guys. And I'm going to upload a picture from my photo library, and I'm going to be picking this double CC here. And when you click on it, it's going to take you to a design or a create station, and it's going to make you clean it up. The upper right hand corner shows you what's going to be printed. So we are going to click that little wand in the bottom, and we're going to start cleaning up our design, and we're going to get rid of everything that we don't want printed or cut into our sticker design. And this is the design that I want, and I'm going to click next, and I don't need to clean it up, so I'm going to click next again. And then it's going to take you to this page right here, or to this option where you need to save it, and I'm going to name it whatever, and I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to click on it again, and it's going to appear on our graph. And once it appears on our graph, I'm going to resize it. My favorite sticker size, you guys, please write this down. It is 0.30 width by 0.22 height. Save these measurements, turn anything into a sticker, baby. And once I am done making it my perfect size, you guys, I'm going to drag it all the way to the top, as you guys could see. And then I'm going to duplicate it once I am done making it my perfect size. So I duplicate my design by going to the bottom and clicking the actions option, and then I end up scrolling till I find duplicate, and you guys could duplicate it as many times as you want. And once I'm done duplicating, I'm going to be clicking on the make it option, and it's going to take me to this page. And then I'm going to be clicking on continue, and then it's going to give me this option. I don't know if it's going to give you guys the option, but I disconnected my Cricut earlier, so I think I have to do this again. And I'm going to connect it to my Cricut, and once it connects to your Cricut, it's going to start giving you the option that it's going to start creating. And this is what happens afterward. And then it's going to be ready to create. So you're going to set your material. Right now my material is set to paper, so I'm going to set it to vinyl. And then it's going to skip the second step because I have already loaded mine. And then it's going to go straight to the third. And once it goes to the third step, you're going to click on that little C button with the little Cricut antennas on it. And it should start cutting right after. And this is what your screen should look like once it starts cutting. It's going to be preparing, and then it's going to start cutting. And this is what your machine should look like when it starts cutting. Yay! Our stickers are being made. And these are some old stickers that I made, you guys. These are the old Louis Vuitton stickers. Okay, you guys, so once your printer is done printing, you are going to click that little double-sided arrow button, and it is going to release your mat. And then you could take your stickers off, and voila, here are your stickers, you guys. They look so cute. Alright, you guys, I didn't just want to show you guys how I made my stickers. I also wanted to show you guys how I apply them, just in case you guys wanted to know how I put them on my nails. And this is a set that I created for our gorgeous, beautiful CC stickers. And I'm going to grab our stickers, and I definitely recommend that you guys get some tweezers to help you out with the stickers, because they definitely help me out with my long nails. This is the style of tweezer that I love to use for my stickers. It helps me peel off all the little details, like for example, this sticker right in the middle of my CC. It helps me peel it off super easily, and then it also helps me place the sticker easily on my nail as well. So this is how I peel it off, and then I'm just going to place it on top of the nail that I want, and then with my finger I'm just going to pat it down so all of the sides of the nails are down flat, I guess. Did I explain that correctly? Down flat. And this is what they should look like once I have the sticker on the nail. And then I'm going to be taking a clear top coat. I'm going to be using a gel top coat by the brand Model Ones. This is a no wipe top coat, so you guys don't need alcohol afterwards. And I'm going to be painting them with a thick juicy layer, and then I'm going to be setting them in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And once they are nice and cooked underneath our UV lamp, this is what they should look like, you guys. I absolutely love them, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I've been so obsessed with this point style lately, you guys. What do you guys think of them? Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, you guys, just keep in mind that you guys don't have to just settle just for the CC. You guys could make whatever you guys want. The world is your oyster when it comes to the Cricut. Here are some of my designs that I have made with my Cricut. I hope they inspire you guys to make some designs too. And if you guys do make some designs, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram or send me them. I love it when you guys send me your designs. It makes me so happy to see you guys learning with me. I love the fact that we have like this cute little community of bougie friends that we could just share our ideas and stuff like that. That makes me so happy. Well, yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you guys want to see next, and please don't forget to subscribe and wash your hands, please, because it's getting a little unsafe out there nowadays, and we got to take care of each other. Well, all right, y'all, I love you guys so much. Please be safe, and please stay tuned for the next video. And yeah, love you. Mwah. Stay bougie, baby.